I could stay like this, forever following you.
Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here on my YouTube channel, I'm Nico Patrick and you are welcome. So please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already, and thank you so much. So in today's video, I'm going to be trying out the rice water for hair growth. So I've seen a lot of video on YouTube about this rice water, so I decided to go ahead and give it a try. And I also done my own research, which I found out that is very safe to use it in case you want to give it a try. So I'm going to go ahead and try it out. After this video, I'm going to be using it every week. It's very simple to make the rice water. All you need to do is to put your rice on the bowl, rinse it with clean water to get out the dirt, and put it back inside the bowl and add clean water on it. Then you can let it sit for some hours and use a strainer to strain it. Here is my rice water. After straining it, I decided to put it inside this bottle so that it can be easy for me to spray on my hair. So now I'm going to go ahead and spray it on my hair.
Without you here with me, but now I'm standing looking in the mirror.
So I'm going to let it sit on my hair for 1 hour. Then I'm going to go ahead and wash it off with my shampoo. And yes, that is all for this video, and I hope you enjoyed. And if you do, please give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.
Whatever happened to what deep down I thought that there would always be an us. Since you disappeared, I know